What would it look like if we built a community that was truly designed to care for the Earth? One where everything, from the homes, to the roads, to the way people use water and energy, was built with sustainability in mind. That's the goal of an eco-neighborhood, a place where people can live, work, and play while also protecting the environment. When a community is sustainable, it means that it meets the needs of people today without making it harder for future generations to meet their needs tomorrow. That's not always easy, but it's becoming more and more important as our cities grow and our planet faces new challenges. So what exactly makes a neighborhood eco? Let's take a look at 5 key features that are often found in sustainable communities. First, green energy. Instead of relying on fossil fuels like oil or gas, eco-neighborhoods try to use clean energy sources like solar panels, wind turbines, or geothermal heating. These sources don't pollute the air, and they won't run out. Some eco-neighborhoods even have buildings that make more energy than they use. In San Diego, California, the city has made a huge commitment to green energy. Nearly half of the city's electricity now comes from renewable sources, and their climate action plan aims to reach 100% renewable energy by 2035. Second, eco-friendly transportation. Sustainable communities make it easy for people to walk, bike, or take public transit. Fewer cars mean less traffic, less pollution, and healthier air. You might see bike lanes, wide sidewalks, electric buses, or even car-free zones where only people and bikes can go. In Copenhagen, Denmark, over 60% of people commute to school or work by bike every single day. The city has built cycling highways that stretch between neighborhoods and suburbs to make biking the fastest, easiest option. Third, smart land use. That means using space in smart ways, like mixing homes, stores, schools, and parks all within walking distance. This helps reduce how much people need to drive and makes the neighborhood feel more connected and lively. It also means protecting green space, so animals and plants have places to thrive too. In Singapore, urban planners have found creative ways to include green spaces even in the most densely packed areas. Rooftop gardens, vertical forests, and sky parks help cool the city and provide space for birds, bees, and butterflies, even in the middle of skyscrapers. Fourth, water and waste management. Eco-neighborhoods think carefully about how they use water and where their garbage goes. You might see rain barrels collecting water for gardens, composting systems, or community recycling stations. Every drop and wrapper counts. In Waben, Germany, a sustainable neighborhood in Freiburg, homes are built with systems that reuse rainwater and reduce the need for fresh water. Many families compost their food waste and sort recyclables to dramatically cut down on landfill use. And fifth, green buildings. These are buildings designed to stay warm in the winter and cool in the summer without wasting energy. They might have special windows, rooftop gardens, or walls made from natural materials. Even the smallest choices in how a building is made can have a big impact over time. Now it's your turn to design one. Here's your challenge. You'll be designing your own eco-neighborhood, a sustainable community that includes 5 key features to help protect the environment. To complete this challenge, you'll do this. Sketch a plan of your eco-neighborhood so you know what you'll need in order to actually build it. Include at least 5 sustainability features in your design. For example, how will transportation be sustainable in your community? What about energy or water? Clearly label each part of your neighborhood so people understand what it is and how it helps the environment. Use realistic features that would actually work in a community, not just fantasy ideas. Then build a model of your own eco-neighborhood using recyclable or reusable materials, like used cardboard, yogurt cups, or scrap paper. And complete a short reflection explaining the 5 features you chose and how each one supports sustainability. Think about the big picture. How will people move around? Where will they get energy? Where will they play, work, and go to school? And how will your neighborhood help take care of the earth? Once your eco-neighborhood is complete, you'll have a chance to present it and walk others through the sustainable choices you made. Good luck and enjoy building a better tomorrow.